Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SHIB 2.0 token. Now this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap, and it was just announced that they're getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the SHIB 2.0 token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, usually I put the Twitter up in the corner of the screen there, but it says their account has been suspended on Twitter, and I mean, I don't know why. But it says they're suspended on Twitter, so I will put up their Telegram in the corner most likely there, so you guys can easily find the Telegram. Now, their Telegram is doing very well. They have 14,181 Telegram members. 1,408 of them are online, so their Telegram is off to a great start here. Now, it was just announced that this token got listed today, July 7th, on a big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search SHIB2, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. So it got listed at 7 o'clock UTC time today on Mexc, so it should be listed up there already. And it just got listed on CoinMarketCap. I just saw it get listed on there. It is at the very, very top of recently added tokens. And their actual ticker symbol is SHIB2.0. So if you're looking for it on CoinMarketCap or other listing sites, it is listed as SHIB2.0, and that is the name of the token and the ticker symbol, all one word. And yeah, so the only difference is on Mexc Global, if you are looking for it, there is no .0. It is just SHIB2, the ticker symbol. Their official webpage is SHIB2.vip. Now, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. So right now they have 5,577 holders. So they're doing very well, especially for these 2.0 tokens. That seems to be one of the higher amount of holders on these brand new 2.0 tokens that's coming out. 9 decimal places on this token, 48,000 transfers, and a max total supply here of 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. So yeah, they're doing very well. Big central exchange listing, almost 6,000 holders, off to a great start on this token here. Now, if you want to find more information, you can check out their Mexc Global listing announcement on Mexc Global's Twitter, at Mexc_official on Twitter there. Now, their webpage has a link to their Twitter, but again, their Twitter is suspended for some reason. I don't know why. But they do have some information at SHIB2.vip, but this is very much a meme token. And, obviously these meme tokens do not have tons of info on them. So it says, SHIB is tired of being launched over and over again by endless degenerates, endless degens. So if you missed SHIB, here is your final chance. Launch during a sensible hour. for all the poo coiners out there to flip their rent money. This is your time. Now, do not invest your rent money, all right? Use your rent money for rent. That is why it's called rent money. You know what I'm saying? That only makes sense. only invest money that you are willing to 100% lose, and that is coming from somebody who is not a financial advisor, all right? So don't listen to these financial advisors who tell you to use your rent money, because those are obviously not even good financial advisors. But that is not financial advice. So, community-driven token. Rewarding the community is embedded in the SHIB 2.0's design. That's why we launched it as a fair launch. And it says there is no roadmap. It is that simple. And it says tax is only 1%. So if you're going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, yeah, you most likely will have to set your slippage around 2%. Now, the bummer here is that, around 1%, sometimes 2%, depending on how much congestion and transactions are going on at the same time. So slippage could be around 1 or 2% for buys and sells. Now, it doesn't tell you what the actual taxes are for. A lot of these meme tokens don't for some reason, but it's safe to assume that it just goes to the team or marketing and development. You're not going to get reflections or anything like that. Now, sadly, most of the information is probably on their Twitter. Now, they've probably posted a lot of updates and new token listing information, things like that on their Twitter. So you probably have to join their Telegram if you want any actual information about this token, because it is very limited info on their webpage there. That is basically it. Now, there is no white paper. There is no audit. There is no KYC. Sometimes they have a link to DEX tools. You can click on DEX tools, check out the Go Plus security information on their DEX tools chart. But there's none of that either on there. So the only thing we can do is, right now this token's actually down 21.42%. So they're not doing very well right now, even though they just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It's on 84 people's watch lists already, so it is getting some attention. 24-hour trading volume, though, $24.8 million. They have a fully diluted market cap of $8.4 million and a market cap of $10.2 million. So, a lot of bullish comments. I mean, information on CoinMarketCap is very low as well. SHIB 2.0, if you missed SHIB and Pepe, SHIB 2.0 is your wisest choice. It's a completely memed project, ownerless currency, community autonomous token. Now, that's all the info that they have on there. And it looks like it's only listed on Uniswap and Mexc Global so far. That's the only places I can see. And that's all the information. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about SHIB 2.0? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one where this token just got listed, and leave a comment. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.